It's here. The new toy has arrived. Now this is the Fly More combo. It's supposed to give you 3 batteries with it, several accessories as far as cables, the actual carrying case and all. So let's check it out. Yep, the DJI carrying case. And all the goodies inside. Here's the drone itself. As advertised, pretty compact. Set that aside there for a second and let's see what else is in here. This is the actual controller. And of course, what do we have here? All the accessories. Here, this looks like the battery case, the battery hub, USB cable, AC wall adapter. This is the battery hub here. Here are the 2 batteries. Now this kit comes with a total of 3 batteries. So I'm hoping the other one is installed. Yep, it is pre-installed inside the drone here. Let's go ahead and unpackage this here. For packaging and for shipping, so hold on to this little strap here. Here's the drone itself. Pretty small, lightweight, compact. Nice neat little package. Let's unfold it. Now there are plenty of tutorials out there that show the ins and outs and how-tos on this drone, so I'm not really going to get into that. Just now this particular package also included the guard for the actual camera, and we have to peel this little tape off here. And this should just come right off. Of course, I have to peel all of these little stickers off before I can get it activated and flying. So I'm going to set it down here. Put this off to the side. Let's go ahead and open up this controller package. So here's the controller. Got your modes here: Cine, normal, sport, return to home, pause, power, joysticks. These are your upper controls here. These are the antennas. Well, excuse me, this is the actual clip which will hold your phone like such. Now, I have some larger phones. I don't really have small phones. As you can see, this is the Sony Xperia Mark 1 version 3, and it holds that fairly well. These are your little joystick nubs here. And that I found quite interesting. Even the book mentions this as here. The drone itself says charge to activate battery before first time use. Is that something that everyone has experienced? Let me know in the comments below. Suspected the batteries do come discharged, so I'm going to utilize this battery hub and charge up all of these batteries together and the remote control, and then we'll take it out for a flight. So I got the drone all charged up, batteries all charged up, the controller all charged up, and off camera I went ahead and installed the app and paired the controller with my Sony Xperia Mark 1. So let's get it locked on and plugged in, and let's get started. So first step, we're going to go ahead and unlock the Xperia here, and we're going to get the DJI Fly app launched, and we're going to go ahead and power on the controller. Two pushes to power it on, and we're going to go ahead and power on the actual drone. Now it's recommended that the drone face away from you when taking off, so we're just going to set it in the back here, in the back of the pickup truck bed, and let's get it started. So you can see right away it's connected. You've got the image of the actual drone camera feeding into the camera, and simply to take off, we take the two controls, push them inwards to each other and down, and that starts the actual motors. And we simply just push up, and we take off. We're going to make it fly forward away from the house and out over the street there. Now, as with any drone, there is a learning curve on how to control it. Plenty of videos out there that actually show how to control the drone itself, so I really won't be getting into those. Pretty much the purpose of this video is to show how to set it up and get it started, and how to operate it. Here's the on-camera view of what the drone is seeing here. And turn it around. There it is right there. You can see it right above my pickup truck. Go ahead and rotate it around. There we go. Make it come a little bit closer here. And that is the DJI drone, DJI Mini 2, all its glory.